Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about how big tech is laying off employees as they are actually making record profits. And this is something that often has been discussed, and it is sad to see that, profits are really the number one driving force of many of these companies. Well, something that is right now a rumor, but it seems to be a pretty good info from in Microsoft's own internal documentation. Microsoft would lay off somewhere in the next few weeks anywhere from 11 to 22,000 employees. That's a lot of people. And that would mean that Microsoft would lay off really a lot of middle management, Xbox employees, sales, things like that. Employees that have those types of jobs are going to be the ones that are going to be laid off, and that's all across the world. So no specific number for like United States or Canada and so on, but it will impact everywhere. And the only jobs that apparently are kind of secure at Microsoft right now is if you're some kind of an engineer or coder and things like that. You might be safe from that because Microsoft needs, obviously, a lot of these tech jobs. But the fact that in a company that actually is creating and like one of the most valuable companies in the world and making record profits almost every time. You want to lay off so many people. Many actually think it has to do with the fact that the AI side of Microsoft right now costs so much money. They're finding ways to try to save money somewhere else. And, well, laying off people is one of them so that they can continue to finance the billions of dollars needed for AI in their future. So that's the sad news for the start of 2026. Microsoft has not announced anything yet, but it would be something that would be announced within the next few weeks to month or two. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.